The situation in Gaza has reached a new level of desperation, with reports of a near-total breakdown in security as starving civilians frantically search for food. Aid convoys, when they manage to enter, are often overwhelmed by crowds pushed to the brink by hunger and the ongoing conflict. The scenes are chaotic, with people clambering over trucks, risking their lives for a bag of flour or a can of food. This isn't just a food crisis, it's a crisis of order, a crisis of humanity. The international community is grappling with how to respond to this escalating catastrophe. The contentious tariffs imposed during the Trump administration, primarily targeting goods from China, remain in a state of legal flux. An appeals court has recently issued a decision to temporarily suspend a lower court's order that had sought to block these tariffs. This legal maneuvering means that for now the tariffs will stay in place, continuing to impact importers, exporters, and ultimately consumers. The core of the legal battle revolves around the authority under which these tariffs were imposed and whether the proper procedures were followed. This ongoing legal saga has real-world consequences for international trade relations and domestic economies. The highly anticipated trial of Diego Maradona's medical team, who stand accused of negligent homicide in the death of the Argentine football legend, has dramatically collapsed. The proceedings were abruptly halted after it came to light that one of the judges involved in the case had participated in a documentary series about Maradona's final days. This revelation raised serious questions about judicial impartiality and the potential for bias, leading to the trial's suspension. The decision to suspend the trial has undoubtedly come as a blow to Maradona's family and fans, who have been seeking accountability for his death. There's a significant development in the efforts to halt the devastating conflict in Gaza. The White House has announced that Israel has signed off on the latest ceasefire proposal, a framework largely brokered by the United States, aimed at ending the hostilities and securing the release of hostages. This marks a potentially crucial step forward, indicating a willingness from the Israeli side to engage with the terms laid out. The proposal reportedly includes a phased approach, beginning with a temporary cessation of fighting and leading to a more permanent resolution, alongside substantial humanitarian aid provisions for Gaza. According to U.S. officials, the ball is now effectively in Hamas's court. The international community is watching closely, hoping that this initiative will finally break the cycle of violence. The coming days will be critical in determining whether this proposal can translate into a tangible and lasting peace. A federal judge has delivered another setback to a Trump administration policy targeting international students, specifically extending an order that blocks the government from revoking Harvard University's ability to enroll these students. This ruling reaffirms a previous decision that found the administration's attempts to impose stricter visa rules, particularly those related to online learning during the pandemic and subsequent policies, were likely unlawful. The judge's decision provides continued, albeit temporary, relief for Harvard and its significant international student population, who faced uncertainty over their academic futures in the United States. The broader legal battle over the extent of executive authority in setting visa policies and the rights of international students is likely to continue. In a somewhat unexpected development within the cryptocurrency regulatory landscape, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has voluntarily dismissed its lawsuit against Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, and its CEO. The lawsuit had lodged serious accusations against the platform, including allegations that Binance.US, its American affiliate, operated as an unregistered securities exchange, broker, and clearing agency. The reasons behind the SEC's decision to voluntarily dismiss the case without prejudice, meaning it could refile charges later, are not entirely clear from the initial court filings. Binance had consistently denied the SEC's allegations, vowing to vigorously defend itself. This dismissal, even if potentially temporary, will likely be seen as a significant event by the crypto industry. The Canadian province of Saskatchewan is currently grappling with a severe wildfire crisis, prompting Premier Scott Moe to declare a provincial state of emergency. Numerous out-of-control wildfires, fueled by dry conditions and strong winds, are threatening communities, critical infrastructure, and vast swaths of forest and grassland. Firefighting crews, both from within Saskatchewan and supported by personnel from other provinces, and potentially internationally, are working tirelessly to contain the blazes. The scale of the fires is immense, with smoke blanketing large areas and leading to air quality advisories far beyond the immediate fire zones. The immediate priority is the safety of residents and the brave individuals on the front lines fighting these devastating fires.